A step-by-step guide to adding payment formulas. Go to Configure, go to Payment Formulas. Select Add a new formula. Fill out the details of your payment stages. Select Save. Go to the proposal editor. Select Edit. On the left-hand corner, select Add Section. From the list, select Payment Stages. This new section will automatically be at the bottom of your proposal. Click on this section to highlight it. Hold and drag this section up or down to place it in your preferred location. Select Add Payment Stages. Select your pre-built payment formulas. Select Finish Editing. Adding payment stages to your proposal standardizes payment terms across all proposals, which reduces the chances of errors and misunderstandings.